Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the beautiful Novell River Oaks, and we're looking at their one bedroom. We're gonna do a detailed walkthrough. We're gonna start it right now. So let's walk in and see it. It's a really, really attractive apartment here. It's gorgeous, frankly. It's just a beautiful look. It's a beautiful feel. You can see the kitchen is just very nice. It's got these really attractive kind of gray taupe-ish cabinets. The fridge, the appliances are just super nice. You've got gas to cook with. Foodies, enjoy because you've got this great. Not only do you have the gas, but then you have a nice exhaust system here too. So really pretty. You've got some gorgeous. Looks like granite countertops here. Really pretty. You've got a nice full bar area. That's super nice. And then you've got this gorgeous island here with a wine fridge. Oh my gosh, how fun. You really have a nice congregating area. And I love the space in here because you could have 2, if not 3 chairs in here. And I love that they included this additional table because you really can have a lot of people in here in this beautiful apartment. This is the living room area. The living room area is super cool too. I like it that it's got not only here, but it's got this kind of back area that's fun so you can kind of easily move around. So really designed well in this. You do have a balcony too. So the balcony's awesome. It's gonna look like this. And it's really pretty. So you can have pretty much 2 chairs on this balcony. And you've got great Novell River Oaks views here. So this is superior. This is the River Oaks area. This is, to me, the best area of Houston. It's especially for professionals. It's just an unbeatable area. Okay, so this is part 1. We're actually going to do a part 2 now, and we're going to walk into the bedroom and bath. If you have questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. And at any time, if you want to ask for a live virtual tour to be set up, even today, send me that request also. Just text me and say, hey Grant, I'm interested in that live virtual tour. Okay, now let's go take a look at this, the next step in the bedroom and the bath.